Okay, we're at this marina. I think there's some people out on a boat over there, and I'll let you know what I'm doing later, but I'm just gonna film this one street right here. So stay tuned for that, and we're gonna walk along the side here and see what all this construction is all about. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, there's a boat over there. I think we're gonna be on that boat. So yeah, let me just kind of move this camera up so you can see the marina, and people can take boats in here. A little park right here. This is all under construction at the moment. You got some cranes right there. So yeah, it should be interesting. So yeah, so Macau has a little marina right here, and lots of construction, some park benches up here, just to see if we can stand up again and try to take a look at it. There you go. There it is. It's the marina. Beautiful binding trees, so once all this construction is done, whatever they're trying to do, it should be look pretty cool. And we did another video where I walked through that part, and you can see lots of construction over there too. Some parks, like a big basketball court and a big park with some exercise equipment and maybe soccer or whatever. You know, there's a lot of interesting stuff around here. Let's come back over here. Get another view again. Nice tree. Looks pretty cool. Okay, looks like there's some people here hanging out, having a lunch, I guess. And let's go a little bit further. Lots of construction work. More construction and some nice kind of places to sit. I think what we'll do is we'll just kind of end it on this spot right here. So at least you kind of got a taste for this area and this marina right here as well. There you go, there it is. So I hope you like that one. Short but sweet. So yep, there's a James Bond thing at the marina right here. And not too long ago we were walking and did a video over there in that street and around a boat. Got a grill here, got all kinds of stuff. So all right. Chiquinha,